Framing your walls without thinking about drywall is like building a puzzle with pieces that don't quite fit, and trust me, it messes up the whole finished look and can cause cracks and gaps later on. So when you're framing, first thing is to keep in mind where your drywall sheets will go, because they usually come in standard sizes like 4 feet by 8 feet, right? You want to space your studs so the edges of the drywall land right on them. This gives the drywall solid backing and stops those annoying cracks or sagging. Also, try to avoid framing odd angles or weird gaps that drywall can't cover easily. It just makes taping and mudding way harder. Another tip is to make sure the framing is super straight and level, because if it's off, your drywall won't sit flush and will look all bumpy after you paint. Use blocking between studs where 2 sheets meet to support those seams so they don't crack over time. Don't forget about leaving space for electrical boxes or plumbing that won't get in the way of drywall installation. If you plan ahead and frame with drywall in mind, you'll save yourself a ton of time patching up cracks and dealing with callbacks from unhappy homeowners. Basically, framing right makes drywall installation smoother and the final walls look way better. One of the biggest mistakes people make is spacing studs without thinking about drywall size, which leads to unsupported edges and cracks. Fix that by measuring first and framing accordingly. Another common issue is leaving framing uneven or warped so the drywall doesn't lie flat. Double check your plumb and level before you nail everything down. Lastly, forgetting to add blocking where drywall seams meet causes those seams to crack over time. Just add horizontal blocking to give the drywall tape something solid to hold onto and prevent future repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who get this stuff right the first time. Plus, it helps contractors find solid work by connecting them with people who really need their skills.